Kanban. In the last lecture, we learned exactly what Scrum is. To recap, we covered what a sprint planning meeting is, what a product backlog is, what a sprint backlog is, what a sprint is and how long it should be, why stand-up meetings are important, and lastly, why retrospectives are valuable. In this lecture, we're going to learn about another agile software development framework, Kanban. We're going to learn how it works and why it's popular with product managers. Much like Scrum, Kanban is another framework for implementing agile software development. It's a little more relaxed than Scrum and doesn't have rigid meetings and time constraints. A Kanban board is a type of board in your project management software with columns that you can move your tickets into to track the progress of development. Kanban doesn't use sprints, which means that the work your team is working on is not constrained into 2-week windows. Kanban boards are essentially just an infinite backlog of work that your engineer can pick tickets from. One thing about Kanban is that you should only have a specific number of tickets in progress at any one time. The number of tickets is completely up to you. So to recap, in this lecture we learned what Kanban is, how Kanban works, and lastly that with Kanban you should only have a specific number of tickets in progress at any one time. In the next lecture, we'll be learning about waterfall software development. You will hear a lot of people talking about waterfall development. So the next lecture will tell you everything you need to know as a product manager.